Good morning, students. Hope everyone will be fine in your home. So, welcome to today's section. Yesterday, we have discussed chapter 1 and 2 logical questions, and today we will discuss about third chapter, fourth chapter, and fifth chapter logical question. First, understand this video and then write this in your fair notebook. Take your worksheet. Come to the third chapter, safety and first aid. So see the first question. Now you are playing in the garden. While walking in the grass, you step in the sharp object. The foot is cut and bleeding. What will you do? So first what they are telling, you are simply playing in the garden. While playing, some of the sharp object is cut the foot and you are bleeding. What first aid do you give? First what happened? You have to wash your hands, clean the wound with the water and with the mild soap. If there is a dirt in the wound, try to remove with the soft cloth and then apply the antiseptic lotion and cover the wound with the bandage. I am repeating again. First of all, wash your hands clearly with the water or the mild soap. If there is a dirt in the wound, try to remove with the soft damp cloth. And then you have to apply the antiseptic lotion and cover the wound with the bandage. Second one, during cooking, your mother is burnt in the cooker. What first aid will you do in this situation? So first what we have to do, your mother is cooking in the kitchen and it's burnt with the cooker. So what first aid you will give? First, keep the burnt area under the cool running water for 10 minutes. Then in that you have to apply an antiseptic cream. If any pricks are there, you should not blister that may form on the burnt area. Right? First, you have to keep the burnt area under the cool running water and then you have to apply the antiseptic cream. If any blisters are there, you should not prick because it will form a wound there. Then, third question. Rabies is a kind of the disease caused by the dog. If any person is bitten by the dog which has been affected by this disease, what kind of first aid you will give? So what they are telling here, so you are bitten by the dog is suffering from the rabies disease. Rabies means caused to the dog, disease for the dog. If it is bitten a person, what first aid you have to give? First, you have to wash that area with an antiseptic bacterial soap and then apply an antiseptic cream and cover with the sterile bandage. Okay, first what you have to do, you have to wash that minor scratches by using that antiseptic soap and that you have to put an antiseptic cream and you have to cover with the sterile bandage. If the bite is very deep, apply pressure with the clean dry cloth to stop bleeding and rush to the hospital. Okay, and then fourth one, what work does a fire extinguisher do? So it is used to put out the fire. It gives a jet of water, gas or other material that extinguish the fire. Okay, then come to the fourth chapter, rocks and minerals. So first one, a rock when dropped in a glass bowl of water, it is float on it. Identify the rock. Why does it float? So what they are telling, now you are going to take a rock, you are going to put in the glass and it will float. What type of the rock will float? Why does it float? So the answer is, the rock is said to be the pumice. Okay, when frothy lava cools and hardens, what happens? A very light rock with many pores get formed. So these release of the gases from the lava form these pores. It is very light in weight, so it will float. Now what they are telling? The rock is said to be the pumice rock. How it is formed? When the 4th lava cools and hardens, this rock became very light with many pores. How the pores are formed? When the release of the gases, these pores were formed. So it is light in weight, so it will float in the water. Second one, Rajesh, while talking to his father, found out the rocks were used in making of his house. So Rajesh is talking with his father about the rocks for making his house. So rock A, it is quite soft and contain calcite. Calcite means it's a calcium. It's one type of calcium used in making the cement. And rock B, that is formed from the rock A, which has been used in the flooring. You have to identify the rocks. Hint they are given. Rock A is a sedimentary rock and rock B is a metamorphic rock. So rock A means sedimentary rock. So mainly the limestone. Limestone, it is used for making the cement. And rock B, it is a metamorphic rock. That is, a slate is a metamorphic rock formed from the sedimentary used for flooring. Clear? I am repeating again. Rajesh is discussing with his father to build a house. So he said that rock A is a quite soft and they contain calcite used for making the cement. And rock B, that is formed from rock A, used for flooring. Identify the rocks. So rock A is a limestone, which is a sedimentary rock used for making the cement. And rock B is a slate, a sedimentary rock used for flooring. Third question. I am a combustible black or brownish black sedimentary rock composed of mostly carbon and hydrocarbon. Who am I and what are my uses are? So the combustible substance, it is said to be the coal. It is used in the ceramic industries for burning purpose. Fourth one, I am a kind of an igneous rock formed by slow cooling of magma under the ground. Identify me and write my properties and uses. So the answer is said to be the granite. It is formed by the slow cooling of magma. So it is available in many colors like black, pink, green, etc. So the color depends upon the amount of minerals present in it. Mainly used for buildings, floorings, etc. And fifth one is the homework for you. You have to find which of these is more porous, either sedimentary or metamorphic, and you have to explain them. Okay. Then come to the fifth chapter, solid, liquid and gases. First question, think of a material that is naturally present on the earth in all the three forms. Name its three forms as well. So naturally present thing, it is a water. Water is available in all the three forms. When it is a solid, it is a ice. When it is a liquid, it is a water. And when it is a gas, it is a stream. Second question, Avni kept the vessel full of water on the gas stove and went to play with her friends. On returning, she found the vessel empty. What happened to the water? How does it disappear? Simple. Avni is a girl. She kept a bowl of water in the gas stove and she went for playing. While returning, she saw the empty vessel. Where the water gone? So the water has been evaporated. So during evaporation, what happened? Slowly the liquid changes into the gases and all the water, it gets evaporated. By means of evaporation process, the water present in the vessel, it started evaporating. Third question, when we see the railway track, simple. When you go to the railway track, you can able to see the gap between them. Okay, why there is a gap and what happens in this case? So simple students, railway tracks are made up of iron, right? Iron on heating, it will expand, right or not? So if the gap is not there, the iron will expand here, it will lead to the accidents. Suppose if the gap is not there, what will happen? One iron will crash over the other, it will lead to the accident. Now see, railway tracks have the space between them to expand. So during expansion, what will happen? The size of the substance will be increasing. So for this reason only, the railway tracks have the space between them. If gap is not there, it will lead to the accidents. And then fourth one, what happens when a liquid evaporates? How is different from the vaporization? So there is a difference between the evaporation and boiling. Okay. So vaporization means a liquid changes into gas. It can be done by two methods, evaporation method or boiling method. So in evaporation method, the liquid boils at any temperature. At any temperature, the liquid will be converted into the gas. But in the boiling, it needs a certain temperature called the boiling point. So this is how the evaporation is different from the vaporization. So mark these answers in your fair notebook. Slowly complete these 5 chapters. 1 to 5 of chapter 1 to 5 of short answer and long answers, as well as this logical questions.